It's time for a Crumbl review. I've got the Kardashian set. Let me cut them up. Wait, let me show you. Oh, they look so freaking good, don't they? Okay, I'm going to cut them up and I'll be right back. What I got is the Chris's yellow cake. Mmm. Mmm. That is so good. So light and airy. Mmm. Okay, so we got Kylie's pink sugar cookie. Try that one. Mmm. Mmm. That's good. That tastes better than like their normal one. Mmm. We got Kim's cookie. Mmm. Snickerdoodle crumb cake. Mmm. That is so good. Mmm. I don't know what's my favorite so far. Here's Kendall's cookie dough. Mmm. That is so sweet and it doesn't taste artificial. Mmm. That is good. This one kind of looks good. Like this one's gluten free. Okay. Mmm. I don't really like that one. Ew. That one's nasty. Okay, well, after that gross one, I saved the best for last. And guess who it is? Chloe. It's Chloe's my favorite Kardashian. And my name's Chloe, too. So, okay, let's try it. Mmm. Ooh. That is fire. It looks like a bazooki. Okay, so now that we're done with trying the cookies and done big backing and making a mess while I eat, even though I'm going to go home and big back some more. Grown tummy on me. Okay, anyway. I got the blackberry sage Starbucks to wash it down. So good. The midnight drink. Love it. Okay. Bye. See you later. Bruh.